Meaning of geriatric.
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 Geriatric. The term geriatric is used to describe medical care and treatment provided to elderly people. It covers a range of issues related to aging, such as physical health, mental well-being, and social welfare. Geriatric care may involve managing chronic illnesses, addressing age-related disabilities, and providing support for caregivers. This field of medicine seeks to optimize the health of seniors, promote their independence, and maintain their quality of life. Geriatric care often involves a multidisciplinary approach, combining medical expertise with social work, counseling, and other supportive services.